Students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. In the previous video, I have told you the detailed story of the novel The Guide, written by R.K. Narayan. The major character of this story is Raju the Guide. Now, in this video, which is the third video on this topic, I am going to define you the character sketch of the hero, the guide. First of all, I tell you the main characteristics of Raju. First is introduction. Next, Raju as a central figure. Next, as a complex character, as a guide, as a lover, as a prisoner, as a Swami, and then conclusion. First of all, I tell you the introduction. R.K. Narayan is a great writer of characters. He is praised for his art of characterization. He creates his characters with great consideration and significance. His characters are based on the psychological treatment, and all his characters are real and lifelike. Thus, his characters are immortal characters. The Guide is the story of Raju, his life, the rise and fall of his fortune. Raju is the hero of the novel. He has the characteristics of a Shakespearean tragic hero in the sense that he meets his tragedy due to his own characteristic flaw. His character works out his destiny. Raju as the central figure. Raju is the central figure in the novel The Guide. The whole theme of the novel revolves around him. He dominates from the beginning to the end of this novel. He is the only source of all incidents and events in it. Raju appears before us in various forms before us as railway guide, railway Raju, a hermit, a lover, a fraud, and a criminal. Thus, the novelist has named this novel after him. It is Raju who is the guide. Raju soon became a very popular guide to tourists. He came to be called Railway Raju. It was not in his nature to say no to any query of a stranger who came to his shop. Gradually, he became to accompany them. He soon became a guide. People came asking for him from Bombay, Madras, and other places. He became a famous tourist guide. He went to any distance and undertook any inconvenience for the sake of his customers. He could tell business lies to impress his customers. He could very soon find out what sort of a tourist a stranger was, how much money he was going to spend. Raju as a guide. As a guide, Raju gets great fame. He becomes popular as Railway Raju. The tourists are impressed by him. He is a guide with spiritual touch. In fact, everything in Raju's life takes place by chance. In the beginning, Raju acts as a tourist guide, then he becomes a guide of Rosie, and at last he becomes Swami who guides the villagers. In this way, Raju has always been a guide. Raju as a complex character. Narayan's characters may be divided into three groups: simple characters, complex characters, and minor characters. Raju belongs to the group of complex characters. It is very difficult to understand his character. He is dynamic, intelligent, and shrewd. In him we find the craftiness, dishonesty, and crudelty of the Margya, the flashy bombast of Mr. Sampath, the adventurousness of Maul, and the romantic excess of the Sitaram, and the mystical learning of Chandan. In short, Raju is one of the most complex characters of Narayan. Raju as a lover. Raju is a great lover in the novel. When he first sees Rosie at Malgudi railway station, he at once falls in love with her. He at once agrees to fulfill her desire to see the dance of King Cobra. As a lover, he wins her heart. He regularly seduces her by flattering and paying her bold compliments. He does not hesitate even in establishing sexual relationship with Rosie. As a lover, Raju is bold and sincere also. When Rosie's husband turns her out of the house, Raju gives her shelter against her mother's desire. He sets Rosie as a great dancer. In short, Raju is a very complex and romantic character. Raju as a prisoner. As a prisoner, Raju proves himself as a model prisoner. His reputation in the jail is special. He developed good relations with the other prisoners. His high sounding talk gave him the title of Ustad. He would impress even the dangerous criminals who listened to him with great respect. He even impressed the jail superintendent who employed him his personal servant. He enjoyed jail life fully. He became sad when the day of his release came. So, in jail, he was regarded as model prisoner. He worked diligently at the superintendent's garden. He told the prisoners moral stories. For his good behavior in jail, he was given remission by 6 months. His 1.5 year prison in jail period in jail was not very troublesome. Raju as a Swami. Raju's role as a Swami is very dramatic. After coming out of jail, he has no arrangement of food and lodging. Listening to the remark of the barber, he decides to play the role of Swami. By chance, he gets recognition and popularity as Swami. In this way, his main problem of food and shelter comes to an end. All went well for some years, but circumstances compelled him to perform fast. Due to this fast, Raju grows weak and at last he sinks in the river. Thus, final and crucial phase of the novel shows how the outer fit becomes the inner one, how the manner turns into identity. Conclusion. Thus, Raju is a very interesting and moving character in the novel The Guide. He is really very complex. It is he who is the hero of this novel. So, in this video lecture, I have discussed with you so many characteristics in the character sketch of Raju, such as Raju as a central figure, as a tourist guide, as a simple guide, railway guide, or as a uh, uh, guide, a spiritual guide, and as a complex character, a lover, a prisoner, a Swami. In the next video, I will teach you either the character sketch of Rosie or Marco, or the characterization or the plot construction of the novel The Guide. Thank you for listening me and my presentation, and hope you enjoyed it.